Hi everyone, in previous video we learned about how to calculate management and performance fees. In today's video we will be learning about how to calculate performance fees if we have the hurdle rate. Let's understand what hurdle rate is. Hurdle rate is the minimum required return a fund must achieve before the fund manager can collect performance fees. It ensures that managers only earn a performance based fee if they generate returns above a pre agreed threshold. It is made to protect investors so that fund managers are only rewarded for delivering meaningful returns rather than earning fees on low or mediocre performance. Hurdle rate are of two types: soft hurdle rate and hard hurdle rate. In soft hurdle rate, the manager earns a fee on entire profit after the hurdle is met. But in case of hard hurdle rate, manager earns fees only on the profit above the hurdle rate. Soft hurdle rate is fund manager friendly and hard hurdle rate is investor friendly. I know this won't get clear just now. Let's understand this with the help of an example. In this example, we have beginning of the year AUM as 100 million, profit as 30 million for the year, and fee structure as 2:20, where management fees percentage is 2% and performance fees percentage is 20%. Here we have taken a hurdle rate as 5%. Let's quickly calculate management fees, which is nothing but beginning of the year AUM into 2%, which comes out to be 2 million. Now calculating gross asset value, which is nothing but the sum of beginning of the year AUM and profit minus management fees. Now after this we will be calculating profit after management fees, which is nothing but 30 million minus our management fees, which comes out to be 28 million. Now we need to calculate the hurdle amount. We know that the percentage for hurdle amount is 5%. So multiplying 100 million with 5%, which comes out 5 million. Now we need to see, is profit after management fees is greater than hurdle amount? Yes or no? Yes, this was the threshold which I was talking about earlier. That is 5 million. For example, if profit after management fees would have been 3 or anything less than 5 million, the fund managers wouldn't have received any of the performance fees because anything less than 5 million, the investors consider it as a mediocre or not so good performance. So that's how hurdle rate protect investor right. Now let's calculate performance fees if we have the soft hurdle rate. So to calculate performance fees in case of soft hurdle rate, we will simply multiply our profit after management fees into 20%, and here we have our performance fees. Let's calculate NAV, which is nothing but GAV minus performance fees, which comes out to be 122 million. Now let's calculate performance fees on the basis of hard hurdle rate. For that, we first need to calculate excess profit above hurdle rate, which is 28 minus 5 million, which comes out to be 23 million. Now we will be calculating our performance fees on this value. Calculating the NAV, which is GAV minus performance fees. And here we have our NAV for hard hurdle rate, which is 123 million. From this example, you can see that the performance fees in case of soft hurdle rate is 5.6 million, but the performance fees in case of hard hurdle rate is 4.6, which is a major difference of 1 million. That's how in case of soft hurdle rate, the manager are earning more, but in case of hard hurdle rate, the manager is earning less. That's why hard hurdle rate is investor friendly and soft hurdle rate is fund manager friendly. Happening because in case of hard hurdle rate, we are calculating performance fees not on 28 million, that is profit after management fees, but over the excess profit above hurdle rate, that is 23 million. Hope you like this video. Thank you and stay tuned for more.